get lot of Instagram stories of
Yeah.
all the famous celebrities that keep on sending us I found your brand, it's great. So after some time, like जैसे COVID आया, आपके पास सोशल मीडिया के कुछ ट्रेंड्स आए, people started realizing the awareness of health. उसके साथ एक शिफ्ट आया where people wanted to snack but they don't want to feel guilty about it. कि या तो मैं बहुत हेल्दी खा लूँ, ब्लैंड खा लूँ, अनटेस्टी खा लूँ,
या फिर मैं सारी
या
जंक
फिर मैं
खा
एकदम ही
लूँ।
जंक खा लूँ और मैं अपनी एक बार के लिए टेस्ट
YOLO।
सेटिस्फाई कर लूँ।
हाँ।
तो उसके बीच में हाउ कैन आई मेक माई कंज्यूमर, इस जो कंफ्यूजन के जो ये है ना, इससे हम किस तरीके से अपने कंज्यूमर्स को फ्री कर सकते हैं. दैट्स वेयर दैट वाज द मिशन वेयर वी स्टार्टेड.
Our parents have been giving us मखाना since forever.
Right.
But खाना हमने अभी स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि अब ये फैंसी है.
Current generation what they're consuming, all
Flavored
different flavors of
makhana.
makhana are
Yes.
coming up like anything.
So are you betting high on मखाना?
Yeah. So our focus to build makhana as a category, not just in India, across the globe, is super high. Excitement and the faster result that we are getting in tier 2 cities,
Like
that is like Indore, like Jaipur, like say Chennai, for example. So our consumer generally ages between 18 to 35, 40. He has chosen brands very carefully. So I think that's the one reason he's preserved his equity. So we onboarded Rahul Dravid, I think 2 years back. So that was the first brand ambassador we were onboarding. And last 2 years में the general visibility of brand has really improved. We have invested in the brand building journey.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू पैसा लाइव. आज हमारे साथ हैं इस इंटरैक्शन में एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हु इज आल्सो द को-फाउंडर ऑफ फार्मले, मिस्टर अभिषेक अग्रवाल. वेलकम टू आवर शो.
Thanks for having me.
अभिषेक, एक बहुत इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड है, मैं कहूँ तो बड़ा फैंसी सा ये टर्म है, ये हेल्दी स्नैकिंग. और पिछले कुछ सालों में, पिछले कुछ टाइम में तो हमने सोशल मीडिया पे देखा है कि आई थिंक इट्स अ फैशन. इफ यू आर डूइंग हेल्दी स्नैकिंग देन यू आर इन माय ग्रुप और अदरवाइज यू आउट. मतलब अगर कोई रेगुलर स्नैकिंग कर रहा है तो सो एलएस हेल्दी स्नैकिंग, इट्स लाइक यस.
राइट.
ये शिफ्ट एकदम से कैसे हो गया?
तो देखो, ऐसा है इंडिया में वी आर ऑलवेज बीन गुड स्नैकर्स. मतलब हम लोगों को चाय के साथ कुछ स्नैकिंग चाहिए होती है, हम लोगों को सुबह नाश्ते के साथ कुछ स्नैकिंग चाहिए. वी आर अ जनरली स्नैकिंग कंट्री. मतलब हम लोगों को हर मील के साथ स्नैकिंग करने की आदत है. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम, लाइक जैसे कोविड आया, आपके पास सोशल मीडिया के कुछ ट्रेंड्स आए, पीपल स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग द अवेयरनेस ऑफ हेल्थ. उसके साथ एक शिफ्ट आया वेयर पीपल वांटेड टू स्नैक but they don't want to feel guilty about it. कि यार मैंने आज एक चिप्स का पैकेट खाया, but now I have taken some X amount of calories, I have taken X amount of palm oil, I have taken X amount of sugar. People started realizing that whatever indulgence I am getting, it's not healthy for me. So that's why people started getting awareness कि what is healthy at the end of the day. And it's always comparative. So you are eating XYZ thing today. What can be healthier from that? So people don't want to compromise on taste. So in India, taste is the benchmark. So if you are eating anything which is maybe as unhealthy as possible, but they can't compromise on taste. So people are always looking for healthier options compared to whatever they are eating today.
But I think poor snacking habits के लिए भी I would still blame social media only. मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, poor snacking habits भी social media से ही आई है, और maybe this is the Gen Z trend or whatever it is.
Right.
कि untimely snacking रात के 1 बजे 2 बजे. So I think even for that we should blame social media.
I think the timely meals that we used to do, that got disturbed in the last 2 decades, and people started consuming meals /
Anything
snacking,
at any time.
anything at any point of time, and the occasions where they are more happy about. So it becomes a responsibility for brands like us to create more options for the consumers which can satisfy their taste and give them to eat it different occasions.
And
if you want
satisfy the urge also.
Right. So if you want to eat something sweet, then you have an option like say date bite, for example, for family. If you want to sneak something savory, you have roasted makhanas, for example. So how can I match the same taste that people are used to and eventually give them the taste angle to it? So it can't always be the healthiest. So there will be a journey of what is healthy, and the customers will eventually evolve.
Right.
कि हम लोग क्या खाते थे, हम लोग सुपर हेल्दी नहीं खाना चाहते. कि या तो मैं बहुत हेल्दी खा लूं, ब्लैंड खा लूं, अनटेस्टी खा लूं,
या फिर
मैं एकदम ही जंक खा लूं और मैं अपनी एक बार के लिए टेस्ट सेटिस्फाई कर लूं. तो उसके बीच में हाउ कैन आई मेक माई कंज्यूमर, इस जो कंफ्यूजन के जो ये है ना, इससे हम किस तरीके से अपने कंज्यूमर्स को फ्री कर सकते हैं. दैट्स वेयर दैट वाज द मिशन वेयर वी स्टार्टेड. कि वी वांट कि कंज्यूमर्स खुल के खाए, उतना ना सोचे मैं क्या खा रहा हूँ. एंड फार्मले एज अ ब्रांड गिव्स देम दैट श्योरिटी कि जो प्रोडक्ट इन्होंने बनाया ना वो हेल्दी है, गिल्टी नहीं हो. एंड वो ये ना सोचें कि हमने कितना खा लिया.
कोविड में कैसा रहा? कोविड में सेटबैक था या फिर अपॉर्चुनिटी थी फॉर यू?
No, so for us it was a great opportunity. Because
बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स ने यही
right,
बोला that people were actually at home watching OTT
Right.
and doing nothing or probably working from home, so they were consuming more.
Right. And as a brand, because we were more online first at that time, and people were at the home, so they were exploring more things, they were exploring new brands, so it gave us a good boom at that time. But yeah, eventually in order to maintain that boom, we as a brand came up with a lot of products, came up with a lot of options, and eventually we had a good growth journey from there on.
आपने अभी एक वर्ड इस्तेमाल किया मखाना. आई थिंक मखाना तो पिछले कुछ टाइम में ऑल ऑफ अ सडन इट जस्ट बिकम सो लग्जरी, सो फैंसी. पहले के टाइम में नोबडी यूज्ड टू ईट मखाना. लाइक एवरीबडी आई टॉक टू, तुम पहले मखाना खाते थे? नहीं. नाउ वी ईट मखाना.
Right.
यू नो, आवर पेरेंट्स हैव बीन गिविंग अस मखाना सिंस फॉरएवर.
Right.
खाना हमने अभी स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि अब ये फैंसी है. मखाने की भी अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत है. गवर्नमेंट उसके ऊपर प्रॉपर बिहार में एक मखाना बोर्ड बना रही है.
Right.
इंडिया, आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ मखाना इन द
Right.
एंटायर वर्ल्ड.
Right.
मखाना फार्मले पे भी बहुत बढ़िया तरह से मिलता है. सो हाउ आर यू एनकैशिंग दिस मखाना?
राइट. सो आप आज से एक डिकेड पहले की बात करेंगे. सो मखाना वाज मोर ऑफ अ स्टेपल प्रोडक्ट. इफ यू रिमेंबर, अपने हाउस होल्ड्स में प्रसाद के टाइम पे भगवान को ऑफर किया
या
जाता था.
सर्दियों में
कुछ
sometimes,
खाया
yes.
जाता था. Two good things that happened. One was the whole health journey that India went through. We want to snack, but we want to snack healthy. One good part with makhana, it's very light. So अगर आप एक पैकेट चिप्स का खाते हो, you will feel some loaded in your stomach. But when you eat a full jar of makhana even, then you will feel very light. So one
But
good
isn't
part.
it bad also because आपको full तो लगेगा ही नहीं and then you keep on eating मखाना.
So it's very light. So it gives you a lot of fiber. It gives you a lot of calcium. So it's
Yeah.
very light. And good second part is कि because makhana don't have any intrinsic taste नहीं होता उसका.
Yeah.
So it blends with all of the
Whatever
flavors.
you-
So it becomes a very good snacking option because A, it's light, and second, it blends well with all the flavors. So makhana एक category, flavored makhana एक category है. So when you see the current generation what they're consuming, so all
Flavored
different flavors of makhana
yes.
are coming up like anything. पर हाँ, लास्ट 5 साल में so हमारा as a company we do a lot of makhana. We are one of the largest players of makhana in the country. We have our own processing center in Purnia, which is a great hub for makhana.
So are you betting high on makhana?
Yeah. So our focus to build makhana as a category, not just in India, across the globe, is super high. For the next 5 years, it is the most focused category for us. It has given us results for the past 5 years, and we are doubling down on so all lot of options there. So we are betting really high on makhana, and because we have done some background work in the past 5 years for the backend integration, we have good supply chain in Bihar, we have good relationship with all the farmers there. So yeah, makhana is on the cards for us, and not just India. I think it's across. So we are doing very good business in USA. We are doing very good business in Canada, Dubai. So the idea is to go globally with makhanas.
But healthy snacking के products मैंने देखा है, if you compare it with unhealthy snacking तो definitely expensive तो होते ही हैं.
Yeah,
And that is why I think a lot of people can't even actually afford it.
Right.
ये बहुत बड़ी problem है.
Right.
So फार्मले में आप ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो कि आप healthy snacking को हर घर तक पहुंचा पाओ?
Right.
Because आप अपने आसपास भी कहीं देखोगे, मैं अपने आसपास अपने ऑफिस में देखूंगी, even if I look at the households which I know, friends I know, बहुत कम लोगों के घर में हेल्दी स्नैकिंग वाले ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं.
Correct.
आई एम नॉट टेकिंग नेम ऑफ एनी ब्रांड और आई एम नॉट इवन टेकिंग नेम ऑफ फार्मले, बट एक बॉक्स किसी का भी आप देखो तो 150-200 की रेंज में आता है.
Correct.
नॉट एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड दैट.
True. So yeah, this is a responsibility for brands like us to be able to make eventually healthy snacking affordable. एक्सपेंसिव क्यों है? इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द इंग्रेडिएंट दैट गोज इनटू मेकिंग द प्रोडक्ट. आप जितना रियल इंग्रेडिएंट यूज करोगे उतना वो महंगा होता जाए. हाँ, एंड जो कंज्यूमर्स पहले मिडिल क्लास में कुछ XYZ चीज कंज्यूम करता था, दे आर नाउ शिफ्टिंग इनटू दोस कंज्यूमर्स व्हिच आर वांटिंग टू कंज्यूम न्यूअर ब्रांड्स, looking to consume more premium things.
Have you seen that data?
Yeah, the shift is really high, and the percentage of consumers looking for those kinds of products are really high. But still, India is a big country. There's a good mass of consumers that we have to target. So it's responsibility of brands like us to be able to make healthy snacking affordable. So for example, makhana is expensive. Okay, so now we are making a product which is makhana chips, for example, which is made of makhana flour, not fried. It's roasted in olive oil. We are trying to make it at accessible point of say ₹20, which makes it more accessible to say if I am able to target 20 crores from my big portfolio. Now with this products I can target up to say 100 crores consumers of India. So we have to innovate and we have to make products which are affordable in nature, and this is at the end of the day it all comes down to innovation. It all comes down to
Pricing.
It's all come down to pricing and how much R&D and how much focus you have in that sense.
एक बात बताइए, पैन इंडिया में आपका सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जा रहे हैं, बट कोई ऐसा सेक्टर, कोई ऐसी स्टेट जहाँ से अनइमेजिनेबल रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं कि ओ माय गॉड इतना डिमांड इस स्टेट से आ रही है, मे बी आई हैडंट एवर ड्रेम्ट ऑफ।
So I think tier one we all expect,
Tier
will
one
be
तो
Delhi में
it's
Bangalore में
yeah,
तो आएगा ही, but yeah, the excitement and the faster result that we are getting in tier two cities,
like
that is like Indore, like Jaipur, like say Chennai, for example.
बट ये
For
सारी
example,
भी
Pune.
बट ये सारी भी डीप पॉकेट्स जगह
Deep pockets
हैं।
हैं, but the kind of growth we are seeing in these tier twos that are unimaginable.
कोई ऐसी जो डीप पॉकेट नहीं है?
So for example, Patna, for example.
हाँ, पटना डीप
Yeah,
पॉकेट
so we are getting really good results from all the eastern parts of countries. हमारा, for example, we have accessibility to northeast. हमारे पास इम्फाल में products हैं, हमारे पास नागालैंड में products हैं. There also we are seeing a huge demand coming. तो वहाँ पे पहले से accessibility का issue था. Now if you are able to give them those kinds of product at an affordable price point, वहाँ से we are getting
और इसमें
results
कोई
like
age?
anything. So our consumer generally ages between 18 to 35, 40. That is the general age group.
सोशल मीडिया
Those are the social media guys
Yeah.
where we are able to target.
आपके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इज राहुल द्रविड़,
Yes,
राइट? व्हाई राहुल द्रविड़? मतलब हर कोई अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर को सोच समझ के ही करता है।
Right. So we onboarded Rahul Dravid, I think, 2 years back. So that was the first brand ambassador we were, onboarding. And किसी भी
No,
brand
good
के लिए,
choice. I'm just saying good choice.
right,
But
right. And किसी भी
सोचना क्या?
brand, yeah, किसी भी brand के लिए सबसे बड़ा moment होता है कि you are onboarding your first brand ambassador who is going to tell your story to the consumers.
Others, yeah.
Right. So two main reasons. I think he's one of the very few A-listers who have preserved his equity really well over the years.
Exactly.
Like if you see
He's
his
not
career,
a brand ambassador of multiple brands.
things, and
Yeah.
he has chosen brands very very carefully. So I think that's the one reason he's preserved his equity. He was the head coach of India at that time.
Right, right.
And instead he's just such a big star. He has preserved that equity across 20 years. If you see in a year, you will see
No,
hardly
even
3-4
I don't
brands.
see him. Yeah.
Right. Second part is because we were building trust in our brand and we were building, food is a major game of trust. कि आपके
Right.
consumers को आपके ingredients पे, आपके package पे trust होना चाहिए. And because Rahul Dravid, has that image of trust,
You
has
trust
that image,
him.
you trust him, and he's not your fancy guy. So for example, he's not even on social media. So such a hard decision for us as a
Yeah.
company who is completely
I
online.
think parents भी उनके साथ relate कर सकते हैं. He's a parent
Right,
himself.
right.
Others, you see him as a coach, you see him as a mentor. आपको लगता है कि ये तो आदमी गलत नहीं बोलेगा. मतलब ये तो क्या ही गलत बोलेगा.
Right, right.
You
And
see him
at the time
in
of
that
onboarding
image.
him, it was such a great journey with him. Like he understood the whole portfolio. क्या brand है, किस तरह के products हम बनाते हैं. He himself tasted all kinds of products. So
Was he happy?
yeah, he was really happy the kind of work that we do. But it was a great. So at the time of shoot, I was there with him. So we had a great interaction of about 1.5 hours. So he really cares about the brand that he endorses. So that's were the main two reasons we onboarded Rahul Dravid at that time.
Which is his favorite family snacks?
So I think makhana, he really,
You keep sending him makhanas to woo him. Hi, happy Holi, we are sending you makhanas. Hi, happy Diwali, we are sending you makhanas.
So he is really good fan of nuts in general.
yeah.
So nuts and makhana is good. Last 2 years में the general visibility of brand has really improved. We have invested in the brand building journey. So now you can find us across pan India. You can find us on airlines. You can find us on airports. You can find us on get lot of Instagram stories of
Yeah.
all the famous celebrities that keep on sending us. I found your brand. It's great. It's great. So we get those kinds of stories as a brand. So in the next 2 years, the focus is to build our offline segment, to build heavily, to invest heavily, in that channel. So that's where the eventual game is for any food brand. In India, most of the channels are now covered. I think to be able to do good exports, like US के जो बड़े supermarkets हैं, वहाँ पर you want कि यार आपका products वहाँ पर हो, at least targeting good Indian diaspora. So that's where we really want कि वहाँ पे products हो, especially makhanas, because it's in the journey. So I think good exports channel is where we eventually want our products to be. So that's where the eventual game.
Right. ऑफलाइन की आपने बात करी. हाउ मेनी ऑफलाइन स्टोर्स डू यू हैव इन इंडिया राइट नाउ? और कितना आगे 2025 की शुरुआत में अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, फॉर अबाउट 2027, 2 साल में और कितने एक्सपैंड करने की इच्छा है?
अब हमारे क्या बोलते हैं मंथली टारगेट सेट करवा दोगे टीम के यहीं पे. So as of now we are approximately 25,000 stores offline that we are there across different supermarkets, modern trade stores, small kirana stores. The target is to reach about 2 lakh stores by next 18 to 20 months. and for that we are developing good teams, we are developing good markets. So that's where we are investing. Currently as a brand, we are investing heavily into.
Do you also target your tourist areas? For example, I'm just giving an example, like Andaman, Lakshadweep, abhi tourist destinations ban rahi hain. Lakshadweep to is on the cards for the government.
Right. So all the tourist destinations, because people tend to snack more during the travel.
Right.
So those becomes really good destinations for us. So for example, all the northeastern parts I was talking to you about. So we get lot of good demand from there. So the price points, you are really, not expecting products at those price points to move into those areas. Your Kashmir, for example. So we get good results in those destination areas where people are traveling, and because they're traveling, they tend to snack more. And because you get the products available there people respect the brand, and eventually you get the demand from there.
Out of all the products, which is your personal favorite?
So there are two products. So one is your Family Date Bites. So it's a sweet made of dates and dry fruits. No added sugar, no preservatives. It's a clean ingredient product, but it tastes similar to like any sweet. So we launched that product about 18 months back, and it is giving us like results like anything. So Family Date Bites becomes my personal favorite. And second is obviously Makhana. You'll keep on listening Makhana when you come to our office. So it's
okay.
So those are the two, the products that I
you
really
love
enjoy.
And you keep snacking on. And which are the most selling ones, both online and offline?
So yeah, Date Bites is there.
Two.
Yeah, Date Bite is there. Really selling well across all the channels, across all the consumer groups, across all the price points. So Date Bites is one product which has really come out well in the past 1.5 years. Second is our flavored range of makhanas, which is Himalayan salted makhana, peri peri makhana, those kinds of products. So it comes in a jar. So those are the two highest selling products. And there are some products which are on the cards, which is I was mentioning makhana munchies.
Right.
Which is a stick, which is a snack and chips kind of format, made of makhana flour. So this is one product which is picking up, and we are eventually waiting for the consumers' good feedback across it.
अभी आपने कहा था कि छोटे जो किराने वाले stores हैं, that is where exactly the game is.
True.
I'm not taking name of any brands, but I do see मखाने के packets, those छोटे वाले packets on different चाय वाला, ठेले वाला, खोखास everywhere. फार्मले का अभी उस प्रकार का कोई छोटे वाली पैकेजिंग नहीं आई है.
Right. No, we have. So we have a product ranging from 20 rupees to 50 rupees in that small pouch range. It's still not distributed that well. So that's why I was talking to you about the next 18-20 months. The goal is to reach to those kinds of stores and distribute
because that's a very hands-on thing. आप नीचे गए, आप अपने ऑफिस के बाहर गए, you take a chai.
That's a very big segment that as a brand you want to target. So we have made the product. We have not distributed it that well as of now. But yeah, the eventual game is to do that, to be able to do that across.
From where did you do your studies and
So I graduated from IIT Roorkee in 2016 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So after that, even just after graduation, I started this up.
So when you were in IIT, did you ever think of कि हाँ मैं तो healthy snacking की brand बनाऊँगा as friends, like if you sit in a group कि yes I want to make this, I want to make that, I'll start with healthy snacking, or was your aim to do something else and now you're doing something else?
So जब IIT में थे, obviously एक अच्छा exposure मिलता है वहाँ पे. So I come from Jaipur, and because I come from a business family, I had that urge कि यार like eventually जब IIT में जाएंगे तो बिजनेस करते कैसे हैं वो सीखेंगे, एंड बिजनेस इवेंचुअली बिजनेस करना है खुद का. दैट वाज द एम जब आईआईटी में थे कि यार खुद का एक अच्छा ब्रांड बनाना है. फूड को लेकर एक पैशन था शुरू से ही कि यार फूड भी अच्छा करना है. आई थिंक इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम बिकॉज द होल कंट्री डिपेंड्स ऑन एग्रीकल्चर एज अ सेगमेंट, एंड बिकॉज एक सप्लाई चेन का बहुत बड़ा गैप है इंडिया में. लाइक जब फार्मर एक चीज उगाता है, कंज्यूमर एक चीज खाता है, उसके बीच में बहुत सारी चेन्स हैं सप्लाई चेन की. सो स्टार्ट तो वहाँ से हुई थी जर्नी कि किस तरीके से हम इस सप्लाई चेन को, जो पूरी फूड की सप्लाई चेन है, इसको सॉल्व कर सकें. सो वहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था हम लोगों ने 2017 में जब लॉन्च किया था, जब टेक्निफाई बिज के नाम से था. सो एंड देन इट गॉट रिब्रांडेड टू फार्मले नाउ. बट या द पैशन फॉर फूड वाज ऑलवेज देयर, एंड ड्यूरिंग आईआईटी द फोकस वाज कि हाउ बी एबल टू लर्न कि एक बिजनेस चलाते कैसे हैं. हमारे बहुत सारे एल्यूमनाइज होते थे जिन्होंने अच्छे बिजनेस बिल्ड किए हुए हैं, उनसे इंटरेक्ट करते थे कि सीखते थे कि उन्होंने कैसे अपना इवेंचुअली बिजनेस बिल्ड किया था. So yeah, that's been.
आपने alumni की बात करी. Any other business person, any entrepreneur who you are actually inspired with?
So I think yeah, Razorpay founders, Harshil and Shashank, both are good friends slash mentors. I have personally learnt a lot from and बाकी alumni हैं जिनसे मतलब interaction होता है. But yeah, I think Razorpay founders are the guys जिन्होंने रुड़की में as a startup का एक craze जो होता है वो build किया.
You know, I didn't see Family on any of the Shark Tank seasons so far. तो ये क्या deliberate attempt है कि Shark Tanks में नहीं जाना, अपना काम बढ़िया चल रहा है, या फिर जाने का सोचा है, अभी नहीं जाते, probably sometime later we'll go.
हाँ, तो अभी तक मतलब there is no thought on it.
जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
हाँ, जरूरत भी है.
पैसे आ रहे हैं, पैसे बन रहे हैं, भगवान की कृपा है.
नहीं, I think eventually it gives you a good marketing. It's a good marketing platform as such. But yeah, अभी तक just we have not contemplated it that properly. So
do you think you need it?
So yes, it's has to be discussed more. I think we have not thought of it as deeply as possible.
And how do you manage your fundings and everything?
So yeah, we are a funded company. We are a VC funded company. We have raised 3-4 rounds in the past, and that money has gone into developing the supply chain, developing the products, building teams, those kinds of forward investments. So yeah.
How big is the family team now?
So we are a group of 375 people now.
That's good.
So across all our factories, across all our sales field, and in our headquarters is in Noida. So combined all this, we have a team of 375 people now.
So that's great. अगर हम इस पूरी की पूरी healthy snacking industry की बात करें, where do you see this industry right now, and where do you see this industry emerging and reaching in the next 2 to 3 years?
I think,
give me a figure, good figure.
Right. I think healthy snacking अपने एक inflection point पे है, जहाँ पे when you see a growth, कि एक बहुत fast growth हो रही है, but एक inflection point आता है जिसके बाद the whole industry eventually changes. So I think we are going through that journey, जहाँ पे healthy snacking की आज के डेट में अच्छी growth दिख रही है, but एक inflection point है जिसके बाद you'll see a tremendous growth in this segment, especially tier 2 and tier 1 and tier 2s. People are not looking for anything unhealthy snacking. People are looking for great options,
right?
And because it's a great markets, so eventually more brands will come in, and it will help eventually the market to rise. So we're expecting at least 1 lakh crore kind of a market in the next 2 to 3 years, and the brand which are able to give satisfying products for their consumers will eventually win that market. But great growth, great room for all the brands, so it's the market to be in, so to say.
Great. अगर हम बात करें, कोई ब्रांड आप बिल्ड करते हो तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि सब कुछ करेक्ट ही होता चला जाए. कभी ना कभी मिस्टेक जरूर होती हैं. कभी आपको कोई ऐसा लगा हो कि हाँ ये वाली मिस्टेक तो मिस्टेक ही थी, एंड प्रोबेबली वी विल नॉट रिपीट इट. ऑफ कोर्स आई एम अ फाउंडर, लाइक हाउ कैन आई रिपीट मिस्टेक्स, बट हाँ ये एक आज शुरुआत में गलती हो गई.
राइट. नहीं, आप कंज्यूमर ब्रांड में है, यू आर बाउंड टू मेक hell lot of mistakes because consumers,
product failures, design failures.
Yeah. इंडिया में भी consumers का एक प्लथोरा है. मतलब आप ऐसे imitate नहीं कर सकते कि मुझे इस टाइप का एक कंज्यूमर है, इसके प्रोडक्ट बनाना है. So eventually you tend to make a lot of mistakes. So for example, जब पहली बार हेल्दी स्नैकिंग सोचते थे, so we were of the view कि यार एकदम हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, कुछ कैसा भी टेस्ट हो, बट क्योंकि बहुत हेल्दी है, XYZ प्रोटीन है, सब कुछ है, people will eventually consume. But when you put those kinds of product in the market, it comes back like anything. Like just to be able to realize this fact कि इंडिया में टेस्ट कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं हो सकता. इसके लिए we did a lot of mistakes. बहुत small examples, like जितने भी fruits होते हैं, for example, वो बहुत loaded with sugar आते हैं इंडिया में. To be able to make them a good shelf life. हम लोगों ने सोचा कि हम उसको शुगर जीरो कर देंगे, and because हमने शुगर जीरो किया, eventually उसका टेस्ट एकदम से सार हो गया बहुत ज़्यादा. So if you are not able to match the taste that people are used to, अगर आपने उसमें innovation नहीं किया अच्छे से, then you will tend to lose this market eventually. So that was the great learning that we came across from the mistake.
जब हम फूड की बात करते हैं, कंजम्पशन की बात करते हैं, पैकेजिंग ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल. मतलब अगर पैकेजिंग एक्साइटिंग नहीं है तो आई माइट एक्चुअली गो फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, भैया ये नहीं, ये दे दो. पैकेजिंग पे कितना फोकस है? नो,
पैकेजिंग इज योर फर्स्ट टच पॉइंट ऑफ अ कंज्यूमर, जो ब्रांड के बारे में बात करता है आपके कंज्यूमर से,
या शायद नहीं जानता. मैं अगर किसी शॉप पे पहुंची, मुझे पता ही नहीं, बट मुझे ये देखने में ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है, इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, और Revit भी बना है, तो आई माइट एक्चुअली
नॉट जस्ट Revit. सो बेसिकली पैकेजिंग पहला टच पॉइंट है जो ब्रांड कंज्यूमर से बात कर पाता है, जिसके थ्रू भी. सो आपको बहुत ही केयरफुली हर पैकेजिंग को डिजाइन करना, उसके पीछे का थीसिस बनाना, उसके पीछे की स्टोरी बनाना, एंड देन उसको किस फॉर्मेट में पैक करना है, किस टाइप के कलर्स यूज कर रहे हैं, किस टाइप का आपको मतलब इवेंचुअली पूरी स्टोरी बतानी है उसके अंदर, देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ बैंडविड्थ दैट गोज इनटू मेकिंग अ सिंगल पैकेजिंग। लाइक आपको कम से कम महीनों की मेहनत लग जाती है, आपने प्रोडक्ट बनाया से 3 महीने में आपने प्रोडक्ट रेडी किया, देन आपको और 2 महीने लगते हैं सिर्फ उसकी पैकेजिंग, राइट पैकेजिंग क्या है कंज्यूमर्स को जो अच्छी लगेगी वो डिसाइड करने में। सो पैकेजिंग इवेंचुअली प्लेज अ रियली रियली बिग रोल इन सक्सेस ऑफ एनी प्रोडक्ट, either online either offline. So that has to be very thought through and very, you know, ध्यान से एंड टाइम लगा के करनी चाहिए। अब बहुत अच्छे से अच्छा प्रोडक्ट जिसकी पैकेजिंग अच्छी नहीं है, हमने देखा है उनको बहुत गंदे तरीके से फील करते हुए, एंड देन वही प्रोडक्ट विद अच्छे पैकेजिंग में वी हैव सीन द ग्रेट सक्सेस स्टोरीज।
बट अभिषेक, मखाना की मार्केट के अंदर ना बहुत कंपटीशन है। इट्स जस्ट नॉट यू, देयर आर मल्टीपल अदर प्लेयर्स हु आर रियली, वो कहते हैं ना चील की आंख, या कौन सी होती है, किसकी आंख होती है वो, बाज की आंख,
बाज की
सॉरी
आंख।
सॉरी, वो कहते हैं ना बाज की आंख गड़ाए बैठे हैं कि मखाना को हमें ही सुपर हिट बनाना है, वी
Right.
वांट टू बी नंबर 1 विद मखाना।
राइट।
हैव यू एवर फेस्ड द हीट ऑफ द कंपटीशन एंड हाउ डू यू want to keep yourself at par with the
राइट,
competition?
देखो फूड है, फूड में बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग मार्केट देयर विल ऑलवेज बी कंपटीशन, चाहे आपके बड़े लीगेसी ब्रांड्स हो, चाहे आपके नए स्टार्टअप ब्रांड्स हो, फूड में इवेंचुअली कंपटीशन रहेगा ही। मखाना बिकॉज इट्स अ टॉक ऑफ द टाउन, हमेशा ऐसा होता है, लाइक जब इंडस्ट्री किसी तरीके से इवॉल्व हो रही होती है, 100 लोग आते हैं उसके अंदर एंटर करते हैं, एंड देन इवेंचुअली यू गो थ्रू अ प्रोसेस एंड यू विल फाइंड आफ्टर 3-4 years देयर आर 3-4 ब्रांड दैट आर इवेंचुअली
जो टिक गए,
जो
बाकी
टिक
सब
गए,
गए।
बाकी निकल गए। आई थिंक दैट इज द टाइम पीरियड वेयर यू डिसाइड कि एक आपके प्रोडक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन है, एक आपके ब्रांड में डिफरेंशिएशन है। सो प्रोडक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन आपने किस तरीके से सोर्सिंग करी है, किस तरीके से आपकी फैक्ट्री बनी है, किस तरीके का आपका पैकेजिंग है, उस तरीके से आपका प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन बनता है। क्या यूनिक है प्रोडक्ट में, क्या फ्लेवर में यूनिकनेस है, उससे आप प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन लेकर आते हो। देन देयर इज अ ब्रांड डिफरेंशिएशन, कि आपका ब्रांड वो सेम चीज कम्युनिकेट करता है कि नहीं करता। सो फॉर एग्जांपल फार्मले, अगर मैं मान लो चिप्स बेच रहा होता, तो मैं अगर मखाना बेच रहा हूँ, सो माय ब्रांड टेल्स कि यार मैं एक चिप्स बेचता हूँ पाम ऑयल वाली, बट मैं बिकॉज फार्मली हूँ, बिकॉज पीपल परसीव मी एज हेल्दी स्नैकिंग, सो मेरी बिकॉज फार्मली की ब्रांड स्टोरी में बहुत इजीली फॉल करता है मखाना, दैट बिकम्स अ ब्रांड डिफरेंशिएटर। सो प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस ब्रांड डिफरेंशिएशन, those two aspects gives you a, you know, eventual lead in the game. So that's how you eventually win the game.
One more question I forgot to ask in between. Shark Tank की हम बात कर रहे थे. For example, let's just consider कि आप Shark Tank में हो. Out of all the sharks, आप क्या चाहोगे कि कौन on board आए? Money, I'm not talking about money. From expertise, experience, that's it.
So I think Aman will be great to have. I think the kind of brand that he has created, he understands Indian consumer psyche really well. And secondly, Piyush, I think he's also built a great brand out of India, and eventually the same consumer segment, eventually the same, you know, the kind of lifestyle they are promoting. So I think those two will be great to have.
I hope वो ये देखें और उसके बाद they might actually contact to themselves. My last question, where do you want to see Farmlay in the next 2 to 3 years? It's a very cliched question, everybody asks in the end, तो मैंने भी वही किया है. And which would be the biggest challenge on your way?
So I think vision बहुत clear है कि next 2 to 3 years में how are we able to make this really big brand, कि we don't want to be strict to a healthy snacking. So Farmlay eventually wants to become a snacking brand, and health becomes a benchmark. क्या Farmlay का है तो healthy तो होगा ही होगा, but how do you make Farmlay a big snacking brand? So that's, you know, available across pan India, across all the offline stores, all the pin codes covered. So how are you able to give that satisfaction to pan India basis with your products? I think that's where we want to be in the next 2 to 3 years.
Abhishek, you know, our Prime Minister has promoted millets in a big way. बहुत टाइम से वो millets की बात कर रहे हैं, millets खाने चाहिए, पूरी की पूरी movements हो रही हैं.
Right, right.
Farmlay millets के ऊपर क्या कर रहा है?
So last year तो millet year था भी,
right,
जो अब इस साल मखाना year बनने जा रहा है. So
do you have plans to add millets in your products, or have millet products in the future?
Still in the discussions. We have not finalized it yet, because there are a lot of things to do. We are currently using dry fruits as a core ingredients in all of our products, and dry fruits because it gives you a nutritional level, those kinds of things. So as a brand, we are currently focusing on ingredient like dry fruits as of now. So that's where our next 2 years seems to be. So eventually we can add, but as of now, because as a brand we have to have a focus, like what are we building. So as of now, it's more on dry fruit-led ingredients, makhana-led ingredients, those kinds of things. But yeah, eventually, millets will have to be on the cards. It's a great ingredient, the kind of nutritional value it adds on the table. So yeah, it will have to be on the brand someday.
My last question to you would be, if not family and you really want to binge on something, you really want to eat something, what other healthy snack or snack brand you actually like? मतलब ठीक है, I'm the founder of family, ठीक है, but sometimes you also feel like having something else. What is that something else?
So I like eating chocolates a lot. So good brands doing healthy chocolates tend to be on my wish list. And I think chocolates, healthy chocolates.
You answered that very smartly. किसी की भी कंपटीशन ब्रांड का मैं गलती से भी नाम ना लूं, मुझे मखाना खाने की इच्छा हो, मैं दूसरे मखाने का नाम ना लूं.
नहीं इवेंचुअली ब्रांड्स तो कंज्यूम होते ही हैं, बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे अलग अलग ओकेशंस के लिए आपने सब कुछ बनाया नहीं होता है. बट या आई थिंक healthy chocolates is one.
Where do you get these healthy chocolates?
So I think they are good imported chocolates. Amul is doing good work on those aspects, but eventually the good imported chocolate that comes.
Abhishek, almost each and every brand has one vision, that is IPO.
Right.
I'm pretty sure family का भी IPO का vision होगा.
True.
When can we see that vision or the dream in place?
I think really soon. It's on the cards. We are
This year, that year, this year, next year?
No, not that soon. The kind of growth we are seeing, we're eventually seeing that across. But yeah, in the coming next 3 to 4 years, you can see that aspect coming soon.
Do let us know in advance. We'll pre-apply. Well, thank you so much, Abhishek. It was such a fun conversation with you. पता ही नहीं चला time का. We hope कि बहुत सारे products आए, हम भी taste करें. We personally love your products and good luck.
So good to know. So good to know.
We'll have this conversation again once you have the IPO rolled out.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thanks.
And
Bye-bye.
such a great conversation.
Thanks. Bye-bye.